Augie, are you sitting up? Look at you. What a big boy. What a big boy you are. Oh, you're bringing Augie's mat because he's on yours? Look how big Augie is. Oh, now you're going to lay on his lion? Good job, buddy. Look at you. Oh, just a little over 6 months and going strong. Good job, Augie. Good job. Good job.
His mama.
Bye-bye.